this section, I'm going to be discussing all the surfaces that can benefit from a long-term protective green coating encasement system, how it can be easily installed and used, defending buildings, their occupants, and contents against all types of offending weather. Once again, we'll be using real-life scenarios with case histories where the systems and products have proved to work and provide the defensive benefits of a long-term protection against typical and strong weather events.
Let's start with typical rain and how a waterproof surface sealed with the right green coating encasement system becomes the best protection against water penetration that breaks down surfaces and causes short and long-term destruction. Immediate destruction from leaky surfaces can result in damage to all inside surfaces and their contents. Leaks not only create immediate damage to the buildings and contents, but they also often result in situations that produce harmful mold, mildew, and decay. The immediate results of property destruction is bad enough, although the underlying damage can be far worse. Water damaged surfaces that are not dried out and treated will continue to break down and corrode. The lasting damage that is sometimes unseen can be far worse than the obvious, as moisture problems fester and amplify, creating unsafe conditions that can lead to structural damage of the building's overall strength and integrity being compromised. Along with structural problems, other challenges including breakdown of existing building components that when intact don't cause a problem, but when disrupted and broken down can result in the release of harmful contents. Some become airborne and ending in SBS, sick building syndrome, that leads to BRI, building-related illness. All this can be simply avoided by installation of the right green coating encasement system on the outside of that surface, protecting it from the intrusion of destructive water and its damaging effects.